11. Disassembling and assembling the acrylic door for the operation plate. Disassembling and assembling the cylinder. 1. Cylinder. Disassembly. After removing the locking latch by opening the door and unfastening the bolt in the cylinder part, unfasten the nut using a monkey spanner and push it outward. Assembly. Align the cylinder to the hole, push it in, and tighten the nut. Then couple the latch and tighten the bolt. Two. Door. Disassembly. Pull the door out after loosely unfastening the bolts for the upper and lower hinges of the acrylic door. Assembly. Fit the lower hinge of the acrylic door in the product, and the lower hinge in the product along with the acrylic door. After positioning the hinge in the middle port of the hinge fixing part for the acrylic door, tighten the hinge while aligning the position with the door opened and closed. Adjust up, down, left, and right. Three. Magnet. Disassembly. Unfasten and remove the 4 fixed bolts. Assembly. Align the 4 bolts to the holes and fix them by tightening.